This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade FOREX report.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade FOREX report for May 10th, 2007. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the news. We finally had some excitement in today's U.S. session on the back of 2 interest rate decisions and a handful of economic reports. Of England rate decision at 7 a.m., which had economists and traders split on expectations. Every economist polled by Bloomberg was looking for a 25 basis point hike to 5.5%, while many traders this week began to stir up speculation the central bank would need to add 50 basis points. This held the pound sterling higher for several days, but the currency took a big dive in overnight trading as bets of a half-point move were paired. When the BOE announced its decision to hike by 25 basis points, the pound sterling initially took back some of its early morning losses. However, the recovery was short-lived, and we have seen since a dramatic drop in the currency. The ECB announced its decision to hold rates steady just 45 minutes later, but this decision had almost no impact on the markets. Traders shifted focus to the press conference that followed the decision, where ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet signaled to the market that a rate hike would come at the June meeting. Of course, traders have been banking on a June hike for months, which left all risk to the downside for euro if anything less than very hawkish was said. All it took was one comment from Trichet that past rate hikes had modified already affected borrowing, and the euro-dollar began to fall. In other news, the U.S. trade balance widened to nearly $64 billion in March, but this did little to hold the dollar back from rallying against European currencies. Meanwhile, Canada's trade surplus narrowed in March, which lent some relief to the very bearish dollar CAD. Looking ahead, the European session could be quiet tonight due to a lack of data, but we still believe there is a lot of movement to be seen before the weekend. Tomorrow morning's economic calendar includes Canadian employment, followed by U.S. PPI and retail sales. This should make for an exciting closing session. This has been the Premier Trade FOREX report for May 10th, 2000.